Sunlight paints the forest floor in shifting patterns of light and shadow, a symphony of birdsong filling the air. A young boy wanders through the tranquil woods, a peaceful smile gracing his lips as he listens to nature's melody. He seems lost in a world of simple joys, at one with the serene embrace of the ancient forest. The forest's tranquility is shattered by a faint, distressed chirping, a discordant note in the morning's harmony. His innocent joy is broken, replaced by a frown of concern as he tries to locate the source of the sound. Sunlight filters through the dense forest, dappling the ground as the boy moves, drawn by a desperate sound. His face reflects growing concern, a mirror to the unseen source of distress. A small bird flutters frantically, trapped in a discarded wire fence, its cries piercing the quiet. The bird's wing is entangled, a fragile barrier against its desperate fight for freedom. He approaches slowly, his eyes soft with empathy, a silent promise of help. Each step is measured, a careful dance between hope and the fear of causing further harm. In the hushed forest, a boy gently frees a bird, caught in a cruel wire, his touch delicate and full of care. Freed from its bonds, the bird hesitates, then bursts into flight, circling the boy as if in gratitude. A moment of pure magic, as the bird softly lands upon the boy's shoulder, its tiny claws finding purchase. The forest fills with a joyful melody, as the bird sings from its perch, a sweet song of freedom and thanks. Heart brimming with warmth, the boy walks into the forest, the bird a happy companion upon his shoulder.